Hi, my name is Ravindra Waghmare. I'm a learning facilitator and career advancement coach, and I'm from Mumbai. With over 4 decades of my HR exposure, I've started creating short, precise, and concise videos on management topics, especially people management or self development. I am pleased to present to you my 12th YouTube video on the topic Reasons for Failure in Resolving Shop Floor Problems. Now, when I say shop floor, that means directly manufacturing units I'm talking about. Yes, this particular video as well as following two videos I'm going to dedicate on people management skills development or creating proper interpersonal relationship so as there is a smooth productivity and the efficiency of the plant goes up and also thereby the margins of profit goes up. So it is very vital that not only the technology or the material or the machinery that what you have has to be excellent, even the interpersonal relationship has to be excellent. Minimum conflict, you can't avoid conflict, but minimum conflict and conflict resolution techniques has to be acquired or trained to the people who manage shop floor. Now let me come to the point wherein why does the conflict raises up or comes up or doesn't get resolved. One of the most important problem why the conflict doesn't get resolved or problem come up on the shop floor is misinterpretation of the problem. The problem is not understood by the shop floor people, the managers. The problem is misinterpreted or the root cause of the problem is not found and naturally it will create a problem. The second point is insufficient data or insufficient information, incorrect information. If your data is not proper, your information is not proper, naturally you can't come to a conclusion, and even if you come to a conclusion, then that action taken on that will be away from the desired goal, what is expected target. The third point is unmethodical way of working. Anywhere you do unmethodical way of working, naturally you will land into a problem, whether unmethodical way of driving a car or unmethodical way of driving a scooter or whatever it is. Any unmethodical way of working will land into a problem that has to be avoided. One has to have, whether you like or not, be a methodical person. The fourth point is why the shop floor problem comes is biases. If there is any kind of biases on based on caste, creed, color, मेरा गाँव का है, मेरे गाँव का नहीं है, मेरे जात का है, मेरे जात का नहीं है, and all that issues definitely will affect on the interpersonal relationship because you are being a bias. Naturally, others will not like it. The next point is inability to combine analytical and creative thinking. Many times you find people very analytical, come to the point, but the creativity is lost. So it is very vital to have also creativity along with analytical way of looking at. Those who are using creative mind with analytical background definitely comes out with better solutions, and this is how it helps you have better interpersonal relationship. The next point is not effective implementation of the goal or the target. The targets are set, the norms are set, the processes are set. If there is a deviation, naturally it will lead to ineffective way of being unmethodical and then create a problem into the process. The next one is lack of commitment. Lack of commitment either from the management people, personnel on the shop floor, or lack of commitment from the people who do the work, the workers, the other employees. Anywhere the lack of commitment will lead to a problem. So that has to be avoided. How do you create motivation? Again, is the creativity. It is not necessary that every time the monetary motivation is there, but so many other ways, and that will be another topic to cover. Lack of knowledge. Many times the shop floor issues or problems are occurring because of the lack of full knowledge. There could be knowledge, some part of knowledge, but there has to be full understanding and knowledge, and it is very vital that full knowledge has to be involved or implemented into understanding the problem and working on the problem. The next point, the second point is what I have observed is uncalled for ego. I am from so and so background, I am from this, I have done this course, I have done that degree and whatnot. All these uncalled for egos to be kept away outside the door of the manufacturing area. Uncalled for ego will create definitely more interpersonal problem. The last but not least is the frustrated individual. I have seen in number of cases where an individual is frustrated because the management has not supported him as he feels, or frustrated because of the family problem, frustrated because of their social problem, or frustrated because of anything in the world. Such people are dissatisfied, and on the shop floor they create a problem because people don't like to go to such kind of people. So it is very vital to understand why the problem come at the shop floor. You must go to the root cause to find out, and then find a solution, have options in solution, and then do it. So my first video related to the shop floor people is ending here, but please do like this and subscribe. There are another 2 videos which are going to come. Thank you for watching my video. Ravindra Waghmare from Mumbai.